ndio wameusi na hilo. Wewe unataka kuniambia tu 2.5 years peke yake amekuwa darling wa Ruto mpaka wanaweza kulala kitanda moja? Hiyo mambo ilianza umbele.
Mimi wako nilipa.
What my guy is huyu ndio my no huyu atakuschedule kidogo. So talk with him, set the number, then you schedule you.
He lost.
Why not? Where is Grace? The Nairobi team. Panga na yeye. Mimi nitakuja. Hapo problem. There's no way this guy is wrong. Mimi niko tayari kabisa.
The father lost 1,000.
Okay. Yes. So tukue na yeye sana. Asante. Nenda tukitoka kanisa twende mahali tukuje chai. Yes. As I was saying, I'm more interested in younger candidates and so on. So that's how we're going to feel. I will be in Trans Nzoia on 17th of Jerry. I was even thinking about you this morning. I am coming to Trans Nzoia on 17th.
17th of?
Yeah, to Runkiambu. Where is your Trans Nzoia? Yes. I'm coming to Trans Nzoia on 17th of this month.
This month.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is actually next week on Thursday. I think Thursday or Friday. So tutakuwa take her contact. Okay. No, Budalaki, I even had an appointment the other day to do a function with Akina Babu, but you know the schedules were clashed. So we worked on something we were discussing with Akina Tembea when we can figure out and move on. So what we do, if the extension your number with Noah, and then we can now begin scheduling. Yeah, no problem. Sunday tutakutana. Haya, kama unakuja Sunday, we can have a side. Yeah, side back on Sunday. Asante sana.
Ninasimama mpira Masha. Nimefanyia Matiang'i.